Now, reason number one why drinking alcohol gets worse with age is higher blood alcohol concentration. As we age, our body composition changes. We tend to have less body water and gain more body fat. Starting around age 30 to 40, adults typically experience decreased body water due to reduced muscle mass. Here's another fact. The older we get, the less thirsty we feel. So speaking of body water composition, let's compare the body water percentage of a man at ages 21 versus 41 and 71. At age 21, the body's at its peak for body water composition. A 21-year-old would expect to have up to 65% of his body weight in water. But at 41 years old, that same man can see his body water dip down to as low as 55%. And at 71 years old, his body water percentage can get as low as 50%. But what about women? Comparatively speaking, a 71-year-old woman can be even lower at 45% body water. And in case you're wondering, infants can have up to 78% body water. Isn't that crazy? Now remember, muscle tissue is roughly 75% water, and fat tissue is only about 15% water. So the more muscle that you have, the more likely you are to have a higher alcohol tolerance. It's because alcohol is water soluble, and since muscle is mostly water, muscle tissue absorbs alcohol more efficiently than fat tissue. That's why a 160-pound man, for example, with more muscle, can typically drink more than a 160-pound woman who may have less muscle tissue and more fat tissue.